Welcome to J&J's test video of 9676, an 03 Hummer, 262,000 on it, and it's a peach. Actually not, just worn out, beat up, you know, they get bald tires, broken door panels, but little air compressor's working. Stuff falling off of it. Rock rails are there. That's a bonus. Door panel. Seat. Sill plate. That's why we sell all this stuff. Let's see what we got. The fold doesn't seem to be functioning. That's alright. It's got a little miss to it. 262, 266. Let's open it up, let you hear it. Smooth out up top. There you go. Radio's worn out. Heater controls, they work. Oh, let's check the sunroof. No sunroof. Dead sunroof. All right, drive it around. Check the transmission, and that'll be that. Oh, come on. Through a couple gears. Reverse works. Let's make sure the transfer case goes in too low. I don't know what that one. Oh, because of the mirrors. Let's see here. High lock. I can't remember how to use these ones. You have to do something to get it into low. Nah, be alright. Alright, that's it for another 03 Hummer. Broken sunroof, bad door panel. As always, have your pet spayed and neutered.